Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to send files to someone using Discord Mobile, step by step. If you've ever wanted to share a photo, document, or any file right inside a Discord chat, this guide will make it easy and quick. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and have a stable connection so everything loads smoothly. Once the app opens, you'll see your list of servers and chats. Next, tap on the messages icon at the bottom to open your direct messages. This is where all your private chats are stored. Find the person you want to send a file to. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to locate them fast. Once you're inside their chat, look toward the left side of the text box. You'll see a small plus icon. Tap it, and a menu will pop up with several options for what you can send. Here, choose Files. Now, your phone's file browser will open automatically. Take a moment to select the file you want to share. It can be an image, a PDF, a video, or any type of document your phone supports. After selecting the file, Discord will show a small preview to make sure you picked the right one. When everything looks good, just tap the Send button. Discord will instantly upload and deliver your file to the person you're chatting with. They'll be able to open, download, or view it right away depending on the file format.